Hi, I'm Dale Shepard with Human Touch, and I'm here to introduce the Novo XT2. The Novo XT2 is the newest chair in our lineup, and it is a top-of-the-line chair that we make here at Human Touch. One of the things that the chair can do is put you into a very relaxing zero-gravity position, as you see here. This zero-gravity position takes all the pressure off of your lower back and starts the blood flow back to your heart, which is fantastic for your circulation. You also notice in this chair that this comes in a contemporary gray color, as well as red, black, brown, and a cream color. We're going to begin to do a demonstration in a 5-minute demonstration mode. This demonstration is voice guided, and the soothing voice will guide you through all the different features of the chair within a 5-minute program. In addition to the demonstration program, there are 33 other programs built into the Novo XT2. These include Swedish, Sports, Thai, Shiatsu. The Novo XT2 incorporates an Altec massage system. It's a smart 3D system that begins at the neck and goes all the way down to the glutes for a full body massage. The Novo XT2 also incorporates cloud touch technology, beginning with the feet and the calves, up to the hips, the thighs, your arms and hands, as well as your shoulders. The Novo XT2 also features a stretch massage, as you can see demonstrated here, where the legs are being pulled down from the lower back. You can also change that yourself to have the legs pulled out. This is what's commonly referred to as a chiropractic stretch, where the air cells are grabbing the legs, your hands are being gripped by the air cells, and the chair pulls you down. The Novo XT2 has Bluetooth capability with the built-in speakers powered by an Altec Lansing sound system. Besides the 34 programs, with the Novo XT2, you're capable of using manual controls. The manual controls allow you to isolate the massage anywhere up and down your body. Should you have neck problems, isolate the massage to your neck. The same with your lower back, the same with your upper back, your shoulder area. If you just want to massage your feet, that's possible as well, all under the manual controls. The intensity levels can be set as well. You have 5 different intensity levels for both the air cells as well as for the massage mechanism. This is a great benefit when you have multiple people in your home using the chair. Some people are more of a massage professional as far as use goes, and some people are novices. The Novo XT2 incorporates lumbar heat, which is a wonderful feeling in your lower back area. The chair is now moving into a zero gravity position, and in a couple of minutes will begin its stretch function. The Altec Lansing sound system, which is Bluetooth controlled, can actually provide a massage to the music that you put through it. It's one of the 34 programs available in the Novo XT2. The Novo XT2 is Bluetooth capable. You can pair your device and listen to your own music. You can listen to a book. You can listen to soothing sounds. In fact, there are 8 sound soothe functions built into the chair, nature sounds as well as white noise. There's also, in the demonstration program, a voice-controlled or voice-guided demonstration. One of the great features and benefits of the controller for the Novo XT2 is that it operates in 4 different languages. Besides English, you also have Korean, Mandarin, and Vietnamese. As far as placement in your home, the Novo XT2 is incredibly versatile. It only requires 2 inches of space from your wall. As you can see, as it moves, it's moving on its base rather than moving up and down just in the back. So there you have the Novo XT2. With our unibody design, our smart 3D system, multi-dimensional massage system, it's the most comprehensive massage chair that you can place in your home today.